let's see the pneumatic actuators. Pneumatic actuators are similar to a hydraulic system in its operation, but instead of using liquid, the compressed air is used to produce the motion. In hydraulic system we are using a compressed oil, and in pneumatic system we are using compressed air. The only problem is there is one major drawback with that air, that is air is compressible and therefore the volume can be changed. That's the only problem with the pneumatic actuator. Also there is the power to weight ratio is lower than hydraulic, therefore we are not able to use it in not to handle heavy loads. That are the difference between pneumatic actuators and a hydraulic system. Okay. And the second category of tri technology is electric motors. We know that there is commonly used actuator. They can provide excellent controllability with low maintenance. You can easily use an electric motor. There are different types of motors there. We DC motors there, stepper motors there, and some and AC motors there. The DC as well as AC motors are together we call it as servo motors, and the other one is a stepper motor. The basic principle is similar in DC and AC. In one type we are using DC source, and in another type we are using AC source. In stepper motors we can obtain stepwise rotations with the help of magnets, windings, etc. Actually in a DC motor, when a current carrying conductor is placed in a field, it will experience a force which is normally formed by the magnet and the current, and that you can see the figure in which a north and a south pole. There is a torque produced in that motor which is proportional to the current flowing through the armature, and that technology is utilized in DC or AC motors. And in stepper motor, the rotor moves in discrete steps. As in servo motors it is continuously rotating, but in stepper motors it is discrete. There is discrete steps. It is a brushless DC motor, electric motor, which provides a number of equal steps. We can rotate it into 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, etc., 45 degree, 90, etc. Okay. Because of these steps, it is possible to control and easy to find the position of the shaft. Okay. There are mainly different types of stepper motors there. Permanent magnet stepper motor, variable reluctance stepper motor, hybrid synchronous stepper motor. We will discuss it in the next module. So that's all with today. Thank you.